Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Bruce Lee biography and lifestyle. Full name Bruce Lee. Birth date 27 November 1940. Birthplace San Francisco, California, United States. Height 1.72 meter. Gender male. Weight 64 kg. Nationality American, Hong Kong. Sexual orientation straight. Marital status married. Profession actor, director, martial artist, martial art instructor and philosopher. Net worth $10 million. Hair color black. Eye color black. Lee Jun Fan, commonly known as Bruce Lee, was a Chinese-American martial artist, actor, director, martial art instructor and philosopher. He was the founder of Jeet Kune Do, a hybrid martial arts philosophy drawing from different combat disciplines that is often credited with paving the way for modern mixed martial arts. Lee is considered by commentators, critics, media, and other martial artists to be the most influential martial artist of all time and a pop culture icon of the 20th century who bridged the gap between East and West. He is credited with helping to change the way Asians were presented in American films. The son of Cantonese opera star Lee Ho Chuan Lee was born in Chinatown area of San Francisco on 27 November 1940 to parents from Hong Kong and was raised with his family in Kowloon, Hong Kong. He was introduced to the film industry by his father and appeared in several films as a child actor. His early martial arts experience included Wing Chun, Tai Chi, street fighting and boxing, winning the Hong Kong Schools boxing tournament. Lee moved to the United States at the age of 18 to receive his higher education at the University of Washington in Seattle. It was during this time that he began teaching martial arts, later drawing significant attention at the 1964 Long Beach International Karate Championships. In the 1970s, his Hong Kong and Hollywood produced films elevated the traditional martial arts film to a new level of popularity and acclaim, sparking a surge of interest in the Chinese nation and Chinese martial arts in the West. The direction and tone of his film dramatically influenced and changed martial arts and martial arts film worldwide. Lee became an iconic figure known throughout the world, particularly among the Chinese based upon his portrayal of Chinese nationalism in his films and among Asian Americans for defying stereotypes associated with the emasculated Asian male. Having initially learned Wing Chun, Tai Chi, boxing and street fighting, he combined them with other influences from various sources into the spirit of his personal martial art philosophy, which he dubbed Jeet Kune Do. Lee had residence in Hong Kong and Seattle. Lee and his parents returned to Hong Kong when he was 3 months old. Bruce's father, Lee Hoi Cheon, was Han Chinese and his mother Grace Ho was of Eurasian ancestry. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.